Hello everybody, welcome back. Boy, we have a windy afternoon, Sandy. That wind is just really kicking up. We're outside doing a little work today and the sun shines out, it's beautiful. Maybe we'll get a little grass growing for our babies out there. Today we're just doing a little work on our Polaris. It's going to be quick, short video. Y'all just take the time to enjoy it. What's going on is we use this Polaris all the time. We use it to help build fences, feed animals, pick up firewood, check the fences, so we use it pretty regular. Well, it's been getting a little hard to crank lately. So I put it on the battery charger. Let's see how it does. But let me show you what it's doing. I'm going to get in here and hit this key on it and let you listen to it. You hear that? Nothing. It just spins real slow. It just barely goes. So what we're going to do is, I brought my little meter out here. Like I said, we've charged it about 12 hours already. We're not getting a whole lot of luck out of it. A battery, after it sets, whether it's your car, most of your lawnmowers, tractors, it should be about 12.6 volts. Let's see what this one's at. We're at 11.87 after charging it. That thing should be almost 13 after charging it. That's pretty bad. So we're going to go ahead and put a new battery in it and see how it starts. We do know it's charging, but we're going to check the charging system again. Now, this battery I bought from Polaris because I wanted a good battery, but I can't remember if I bought it 2 years ago. I'm like most of you, where's the receipt? I don't know. It's filed somewhere, so it's at least 2 years old. So I've bought another battery. We're going to put that in. Let me get a wrench over here real quick and get this pulled out. Now, putting a battery in a Polaris is a whole lot easier than doing it in your truck or car because there's no hold down bracket, it just fits in a little spot. So when you buy one, you just got to make sure it's the same size. Alright, I think the new one came with new nuts and bolts, we'll see. Both of those, and just kind of tilt it out. Boy, you can't get a battery removed any easier than that, right? That's pretty good. Let's get the new one, stick it in there, see if we got better starting amperage. Now this is an interstate battery. Now I looked up ones for Polarises and stuff, and they just don't seem to have much cranking voltage. This one fits a Harley Davidson, so it's bound to be a whole lot stronger because it takes a lot to start them. All right, we got some new hardware to go there. Let's grab that over here in the bag. We got our post right, so we got our positive here for our positive and our negative for our negative cable. Let's see, what are we going to need out of this? We need the little nut that goes in here. Okay. Oh, you got to turn it this way. There we go, got that one. Got one for this side. And we got long ones and short ones. We're just going to need the short ones. I only see one lock washer. Let's put the positive on first. That almost looks like it'd work better on the top. Yeah, let's do that. And put that in and screw it in. Then we'll tighten it down with a wrench. Of course, it's not grabbing the nut on the bottom of it. So let's see how much longer the long ones are. I think they're going to be too long. Yeah, that's going to be too long. Let's try it and see. Yep, it's already bottomed out. It's too long. So it really needs the shorter ones, but this thing needs to be held up a little bit. Let me go grab a little screwdriver real quick. All right, we're going to put the shorter one in. The longer one's just too long. There we go. That's what we want to do. We're going to put the positive on first. Get it tight. There we go. Not too tight. You just want it where it don't wiggle. That little lock washer keeps it from going anywhere. Okay, we need a negative cable. And what? Oh, there it is. I was wondering where I laid that down at. Come on, start. There we go. You can see these batteries on these little RTVs or Polarises, they don't hardly ever corrode, nothing like a car does. All right, let's see what our voltage is now on a new battery. Let's see where we're at. 13. I'd say that's a pretty stout battery. It already started. Let's see what the cranking amps. This one's about 200 cranking amps, and this one's 385, almost double. Let's see how it starts this time. Oh, yes. Boy, I like the way that fires up. Nobody will get stranded now down the road. Let's see what our charging system's doing. 14.3. That's wonderful. So our charging system is working real strong. So let's turn it off and start it again one more time. See how that sounds. That's wonderful. Gosh, I like easy jobs like this when they go right. So if we can put up our tools, put the other battery in the box, we can take it back and get our deposit on it and get a return. But the four-wheeler's all ready to go again. I hope we can get more than 2 years out of this battery. Interstate seems to do a pretty good job. I try to run them in all my vehicles. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you learned a little bit or just kind of enjoyed being outdoors with me today. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.